Hello everyone. So our new chapter is chapter number 11, that is profit and loss. Okay. So as we have done the introduction part already, so here in this video we will discuss few of the words, what does it mean, and then we will solve the question step by step. Okay. So the first word is cost price. What is cost price? The price at which an article is purchased. Purchased, it means you understood here, whenever we are buying or selling something. Buying, buy and sell ka relationship. The relationship of buying and selling. Okay. So whenever there is a relationship of buying and selling, their profit and or loss will be there. Okay. Or profit and loss occurs in the concept of buying and selling. Okay. So here the cost price is the price at which a person buys something or purchases something. Suppose you need a pen, so you went to a shop, right? So you want a pen and you asked the pen, single pen from the shopkeeper, and he gave it to you. Now the price of the pen is 10 rupees. How much? 10 rupees. So you are a buyer. Who are you? Buyer, because आप buy कर रहे हो, right? And the shopkeeper is the seller. Who is he? Seller. For you, this 10 rupees is CP और cost price. Okay? इसका cost price है, मतलब जितना भी पेन का प्राइस है that is cost price for you, and seller के लिए और the shopkeeper के लिए that is SP, because he has sold it to you. बेच दिया उसने आपको. ठीक है? So here understood. Now CP includes overhead expenses, and overhead expenses means sales tax, labor charges, cartages, etc. Or here repairing charges also, it also includes in CP only. In the question if it is written repairing charges or labor charges or cartages or anything like that, then you will add in the CP, then the amount will be total CP. Clear? Now next is selling price, that is SP. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. I told you right now, correct? For that shopkeeper, 10 rupees was his SP. Now two important points, that is gain is always reckoned on CP and loss is always reckoned. Reckoned means calculated. Okay. So gain and loss is always reckoned or calculated on CP. क्यों? गेन परसेंट निकालना होगा, then what is the formula? Is equals to gain upon CP into 100. ऐसे this is the formula, right? Formula we will discuss in the next slide. Okay. So right now you understand that gain or loss, it is always reckoned on CP. Now coming further to the formulas. First one is gain. Gain whenever SP minus CP. कैसे? If seller has given you a pen for 10 rupees, so at what price he had bought it? वो किस प्राइस पे लेके आया होगा? वो आपको 10 रुपीज़ की कोई चीज़ है तो 10 रुपीज़ में तो देगा नहीं. एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स प्रॉफिट, राइट? बिजनेस इज फॉर प्रॉफिट ओनली. सो एटलीस्ट 8 रुपीज़ का ही मस्ट हैव बॉट, राइट? And he has sold it to you at 10 rupees. So 2 rupees profit he has earned from you, right? So profit or gain is equals to SP minus CP. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. Gain percent and loss percent. So gain percent के लिए gain upon CP into 100 percentage, loss upon CP into 100 percentage. Next, SP is equals to when gain percentage is given. You have to find out SP when gain percentage and CP is given. So 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. Next is SP when loss percentage and CP is given. So 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. Then next we have to find the CP when gain percent and SP is given. So 100 upon 100 plus gain percent multiplied by SP, and CP when loss percentage and SP is given. So 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied by SP. So these are your formulas which we are going to use in the solutions of exercise 11A. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So the first one question is, find the SP when CP is rupees 950 and gain is 6%. Very easy formula, I told you. When we have to calculate the SP, the formula is 100 plus gain percent and upon 100 into CP. So 100 plus 6 upon 100 into 950. This question we have done in the live class also. So 106 upon 100 into 950. So 0 से 0 cancel and by 5 19 5 से कितना होता है 95 and 5 2 जा 10. Clear? And by 2 we will cut this by 53 times. So answer will be 1007 rupees, that is SP. What is it? This is SP. Now next part is we have to find out the SP when CP and gain percentage is given, but here the gain percentage is given in the mixed fraction. No problem, we can solve it easily. So 16 2 by 3 we can write it 50 by 3 percentage. कैसे 3 6 16 3 48 48 plus 2 50. ठीक है. So 100 plus 50 upon 3 divided by 100 into 9600. Then LCM लिया तो 300 plus 50 upon 3 by 100 into 9600. 350 upon 3 here. Then 100 है तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 1 upon 100 into 9600. डबल ज़ीरो से डबल ज़ीरो कैंसिल, 3 से 96 32 टाइम्स कैंसिल and we will get the answer by multiplying 350 into 32 and we will get the answer, or SP is equals to rupees 11,200. Clear? Easy. Now the third part, CP is 1540, loss is equals to 4%. The formula is 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. So 100 minus 4 upon 100 into 1540, that is 96 upon 100 into 1540. 0 से 0 cancel, 2 से 5 time and 2 से 77 times. So 96 into 77 by 5. I have not done it because I forgot. Okay, so here it will be 96 multiplied by 77 divided by 5. So answer here it will be rupees 1478.4. ठीक है, कैसे पॉइंट से कर लो ना, लाइक 5 का 77 if we cut divided by 5, right? So it is 5 1s are 5, then 27, so 5 5s are 25, 20, so 15.4. So here 96 multiply by 15.4. When we multiply 96 into 15.4, the answer is 1478.4. So this is the SP. What is it? It is the SP. Clear? Now the fourth part, CP is equals to 8640 and loss is equals to 12 1 by 2%. So 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP, 100 minus 12 1 upon 2, 12 to the 24, so we can also write 25 by 2 percentage. So 100 minus 25 by 2 upon 100 into 8640. Next 200 minus 25 by 2 upon 100 into 8640. When we will solve this, 175 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 8640. 0 से 0 cancel और by 25 we can cancel. So 25 से 175 गया 7 टाइम and ये गया 4 टाइम. ठीक है, 4 से now 2 से 8640 गया 4320 टाइम्स, 4 से 4320 गया 1080 टाइम्स. तो 1080 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, वी विल गेट द आंसर 7560. क्लियर? नाउ question number second, find the gain or loss percentage when CP and SP is given. So we have to see whether CP is greater or SP is greater. If CP is greater, then loss. If SP is greater, then gain. So here SP is greater and gain is equals to 2592 minus 2400, that is rupees 192. But we have to find the gain or loss percent. So gain percent formula we know, right? So gain percent is equal to 192 by 2400 into 100. What is the formula? First of all, gain upon CP into 100, and we have just simplified it. Okay, so we have got the answer 8%. Gain percentage 8%. Now second part, CP is equals to 1650 and SP is equals to 1452. So here CP is larger, that means loss. So loss percentage we have to calculate. If we have to calculate the loss percentage, for that we need to find out the loss first of all. So loss is equals to 1650 minus 1452, that is CP minus SP. Okay, you have to mention the formulas in each part of the question in your fair work. Remember it. Okay, so loss percentage is equals to 198, that's its loss, upon CP 1650 multiply by 100, and by solving it we will get the answer 12%. Clear? Now the third part, CP is equals to rupees 12,000 and SP is equals to 12,800. Now SP is larger, so it will be gain percentage, and when we have to find the gain percentage, for that we need to find the gain, and gain is equals to SP minus CP. So 12,800 minus 12,000, that is 800. What is the formula of gain percent? That is gain upon CP into 100. So 800 upon 12,000 into 100, and when we will solve it, it will give the answer 20.3% or 6 complete 2 upon 3%. Correct? Okay. Okay. Now fourth part, CP is equals to rupees 1800 and SP is equals to 1611. So here CP is greater, so there is loss. For loss percentage we need to find the loss first of all. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. So 1800 minus 1611 is equals to 189. अब loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss कितना है 189 upon 1800 into 100. डबल जीरो से डबल जीरो कैंसिल, 2 से 9 से 21 टाइम कैंसिल, 9 से 2 टाइम कैंसिल. 21 by 2 we can write 10 complete 1 upon 2%. Okay, now third one, find the CP when SP is equals to 924 rupees and gain is equals to 10%. So here direct formula we will use. CP is equals to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. So gain, for that gain percent is given already, right? I have written the formulas for just the revision. These two formulas are extra just for the revision. Okay, so if you don't write, then no problem. CP is equals to 100 upon 100 plus 10 into 924. So 100 upon 110 into 924, 0 से 0 cancel, 11 से 84 time cancel, and the answer is 840, that is CP. Sorry, क्या है? CP. ठीक है, CP 840. Now coming to the next part, that is SP is equals to 1755 and gain भी दिया है 12.1/2%. राइट, सो 100 अपॉन CP निकालने का फॉर्मूला 100 अपॉन 100 प्लस गेन परसेंट इंटू SP. तो 100 अपॉन 100 प्लस 25 अपॉन 2 इंटू 1755. तो when we will take the LCM, तो 200 plus 25, that is 225. ठीक, तो 100 into 2 upon 225 multiply 1755. So by 25 we can cancel out. 25 से गया ये 4 टाइम, 25 से गया ये 9 टाइम, एंड 3 से 3 से नहीं 9 से, सॉरी 9 से ये गया 9 1 ज़ा 9, तो 85, 9 9 ज़ा 81 and 45, तो 9 5 ज़ा 45. तो here it will be 4 into 195 into 2, that is 780 into 2 is equal to 1560. This is the CP. Okay. Now third one is SP is equals to rupees 8510 and loss is equal to 8%. So we need to find the CP when SP and loss percentage is given. So formula is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiply by SP. So here 100 upon 100 minus 8 multiply by 8510. 100 upon 92 multiply 8510. Now we need to cancel out. ठीक है, सो बाय 2 वी हैव डन इट. 2 से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव कैंसल्ड 92 तो 46 टाइम और 2 से 150 टाइम्स. अगेन बाय 2 23 टाइम्स हो गया. 2 से फिर ये गया 42250. 23 से डायरेक्टली वी हैव कैंसल्ड 4255 by mistake I have said this number wrong, so it is 4255. ठीक है, so 185 times, and we have to multiply 185 into 50 and we will get the answer 9250 rupees. That is the CP. Clear? Okay. Now the last part, SP is equals to rupees 5600 and loss is equals to 62 by 3%. So we need to find the CP when SP and loss percentage is given. So 100 upon 100 minus 20 by 3 into 5600, 100 upon 300 minus 20 LCM लिया ना, तो 300 minus 20 upon 3 into 5600, तो 100 upon 1 into 3 upon 280 into 5600. तो 0 से 0 कैंसिल 100 वाला, ठीक है. 28 से 28 to the 56, 200 टाइम 200 into 3 that will be 600, और 600 into 10 is equals to 6000. Clear? Easy ना? If you have learned, or if you will write again and again the formulas, the questions are very easy to solve. Okay, now coming forward to the question number 4. Sudhir bought an Almira. Bought मतलब उसने खरीद के लाया, purchased, okay, for rupees 13600. It means CP हो गई, ठीक है. And spent 400 rupees on its transportation. I told you any money, reparation, transportation, overhead charges all are included in the CP. So total CP कितना हुआ? 13600 plus 400, that is 14,000 rupees, and sold it for rupees 16,800. Now find the gain percentage. Obviously gain percent है because SP is 16,800 and CP is 14,000. And the formula for gain is SP minus CP is equals to 16,800 minus 14,000, that is rupees 2,800. Now gain percentage is equals to gain upon CP multiply by 100, that is 2,800 upon 14,000 into 100. तो 0 से 0 cancel, and 1400 से 2,800 2 times cancel, 2 into 10, 20% is the gain percentage. Okay. Now question number 5. Ravi purchased an old house for rupees 7,65,000, that is CP, and spent rupees 1,15,000 on its repairs. So it will be added in CP. Total CP कितना हो जाएगा? 8,80,000. Now then he sold it at a gain of 5%. कितने gain पे बेचा है? 5%. It means that we need to calculate the SP. ठीक है, we need to calculate the SP when CP and gain is given. ठीक है, तो फॉर्मूला we know, तो SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP, 100 plus 5 upon 100 into 8,80,000, 105 on 100 into 8,80,000. So we will get the answer 9,24,000. 00 cancel, 105 multiply by 8,800. ठीक है, when you will multiply both these you will get the answer 9,24,000. ठीक है, easy. So till question number 5 we have discussed in this video. I hope you understand the questions. If you have not understood any of the question or any point or any step, you can comment in the you can just comment in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.